Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about a common issue that many Roblox players are facing. The authentication failed error code 429 message. If you're seeing this error when trying to log in or play Roblox, don't worry. I'll explain what it means and how to fix it, step by step. So stay with me until the end. Let's start by understanding what this error actually means. Error 429 usually shows up when Roblox's servers are getting too many requests from your device in a short amount of time. This can happen if you refresh too often, open multiple tabs, or your internet connection keeps reconnecting. Roblox blocks those requests for a while as a safety measure. Now let's move on to how you can fix it. Step 1. Close Roblox completely. First, close Roblox completely on your device. If you're using the app, make sure it's not running in the background. If you're on a web browser, close all Roblox tabs. Step 2. Restart your internet connection. Now restart your internet. The best way is to turn off your Wi-Fi router for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This helps refresh your IP address and stops the flood of requests that caused the error. Step 3. Wait a little while. Sometimes this error is temporary. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. During this time, don't keep clicking or refreshing Roblox. Just give it a break. Step 4. Use a different browser or device. Try logging in from a different browser or device. For example, if you were using Chrome, try Firefox or Edge. If you were on a mobile phone, try using a computer or the other way around. Step 5. Clear your browser's cache. If you're using a browser to access Roblox, clear your cache and cookies. This can remove any saved data that may be causing issues. To do this, go to your browser settings, find the section for privacy and security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cached images and cookies. Then restart your browser and try again. Step 6. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy connection, turn it off. Roblox may block access from VPNs if they detect unusual traffic. Step 7. Avoid using multiple Roblox tabs or apps at once when you return to Roblox. Try not to open too many tabs or launch the app multiple times. Use just one window or one app session to avoid overloading the server with too many requests. Step 8. Check Roblox server status. Sometimes it's not your fault. Roblox servers may be having issues. You can check the official Roblox status page or search online for Roblox server status to see if there's any downtime or maintenance. Step 9. Contact Roblox support only if it keeps happening. If none of these steps work, and the error keeps coming back often, you might need to contact Roblox support. Go to their official support website, explain your problem, and they can help you further. And that's it. This error can be frustrating, but the good news is that it's usually temporary and easy to fix if you follow these steps. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel and share this video with others who might be having the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.